Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the option for 8K video output on your PlayStation 5 Pro. So if you got a TV that supports it, you want to make sure this is turned on, otherwise it may be off by default. So let's go up to settings right here and scroll on down until we get to where it says screen and video. So let's select this option right here. Then under video output, let's go to the right. So this is a new option if you have the PS5 Pro. It says allow 8K output, switch to 8K output if your TV and the game you're playing supports it. So some of the features will be restricted during 8K output. The connect an HDMI device doesn't support it, so my TV does not support 8K at the moment. But it says both the TV and the game has to support it, so it seems like it's not going to work just all the time. So just come in this section and then enable that. Then also you want to enable this option right here, enhance image quality for PS4 games. So by default, I think this is turned off, so just come in this section and just double check all these TV settings. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.